Hello and welcome to the channel. If your CT110 is difficult to start and also slightly down on power, there may be a simple reason for that you've overlooked. Let's get straight into it. Well, the simple thing that may be causing this fault is the heat insulator that's fitted next to the carburettor there. Let's remove the top cover and have a closer look. So if the insulator is upside down, it can partially block off the flow of air and fuel, cause your bike to be hard to start, and can also reduce power. Quickest way to tell, have a look there. If the insulator is flush with the inlet manifold and the carburettor, as this one is, the chances are that's fine. But if this is sticking proud, then it's definitely upside down and needs attention. Let's just have a look at this carburettor, and a simple reason for the difficult starting could be that this heat insulator has been fitted upside down. Maybe you've bought a bike and it's already like that when you bought it, or maybe you've been working on your carburettor and you've inadvertently fitted the insulator upside down. Quickest way to tell, as you can see there, the insulator is not in line with the inlet manifold or the carburettor. It's sticking proud there, and that's a classic sign that the insulator has been fitted upside down. These insulators are not symmetrical. So let's take this one off and have a look, and I'll show you exactly what I'm getting at. So when you put the insulator on, you've got a 1 in 4 chance of getting it right. As you can see, is that in focus still? I hope so. With the bolts lined up, you can see the port is being covered there. If we turn it around the other way, it lines up. Well, the best way to see is on the actual carburettor itself. So when I said there's a 1 in 4 chance, so obviously you can fit it that way or that way, but obviously we don't want 2 O-rings together, so plain side towards the O-ring, and then if we fit it that way as it was fitted before, you can see it's covering there, and there's a chance there, you can see the O-ring there, there's a chance you can get an air leak there as well. But the main thing is, if you look way down in there, there's the part of the pilot circuit, the idle circuit, and if this is fitted the wrong way around, you can see it's covering that, restricting the flow of fuel, and that's what's making it difficult to start. And also with the restriction in the flow of fuel, the main port there, that's probably going to reduce the power as well. So that way around, like that. Well, as you can see, in line. Hope that helps, and I'll see you again soon in the next video.